Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the motor stator assembly in an LG washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a 24mm socket wrench, and a 10mm socket wrench. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new motor stator assembly. The motor stator assembly is attached to the bottom of the outer tub. By using the electromagnetic field, it rotates the motor rotor assembly. The main reason for the motor stator assembly to be replaced is if its windings get damaged, causing the washer not to spin or agitate. We're removing the rear access panel. In order to do that, we need to take out the 4 Phillips screws. So I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver and I'm going to take them out. If you noticed, I'm wearing gloves. This is because of the sharp metal. So I'm going to grab it on both sides, bend it slightly and push it down, and then we can release the top. Then we can pull up the bottom and take out the access panel. Alright, so we're going to place a support on the floor and put a towel on it so it won't damage the washer. And then we can tilt it and place it on the box here. To remove the rotor, we need to take out this 24mm nut. I'm going to use this ratchet with a head, a 24mm head. And what we're going to do is I'm going to knock this handle hard to lose the nut. And then we can take it off. And continue manually, take off the washer. Put it aside, we're going to use it again, and then carefully pull off the rotor. Slide it and shake it side to side. Remember, there's strong magnets inside, so be careful, don't pinch your fingertips. There you go. The stator is attached to the base with 6 10mm bolts. We're going to use a 10mm socket wrench and take them out. I'm going to loosen up all of them, and then I'm going to take 5 of them out. And now the 6th one, I'm going to hold that stator. Carefully remove it. Alright, so I can turn it around slowly, and so I can expose the plugs. Press down at the locking tab and pull the plug out. I'm going to press the side tabs and disconnect the plug. This is the old motor stator assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So we're going to install a new stator on first, and then we're going to plug in that 2 plugs. I'm going to match the holes, place it on, hold it, and then we're going to secure it with bolts. I'm going to put 3 in first, manually. Then I'm going to use a 10mm head and tighten it. Now I can put the rest of the bolts, and I'm going to use this ratchet and we're going to tighten them. All right, now time to connect the two plugs on the top. So I'm going to install this one first, and we're going to place the second one in. All right, so we're going to install the rotor on. Align the splines on the shaft and the splines inside the hub here. So lift it up and place it on the shaft. Turn it slightly, and then we can push it on, going side to side, all the way in. Then the washer goes on, and then this 24mm nut goes on. Turning it clockwise, tighten it as far as it can go, and then we're going to use this 24mm socket wrench. Tighten it, and then I'm going to knock on the handle hard to tighten the nut. So I'm going to put the washer back on the ground on its feet. And we're going to remove the box and the towel. And we're going to install the rear access panel. Slide it up first under these two tabs on the top. Then we're going to bend a little bit the bottom. Place it in these two slots here. Alright, at this point we can secure that access panel with the 4 Phillips screws. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.